Yes, good morning, everyone. In today's class, we'll be learning the grammar to finite automata. Okay? How we are going to convert a given grammar into a finite automata. Okay, it has got some few procedures. For example, how a grammar is defined. Let us say a grammar is defined using PTP. Yes, where V stands for, and these are non-terminals, productions, and a start symbol, right? And during the conversion of a grammar to a finite automata, we need to follow some procedures. So what are the different procedures that we need to follow in our conversion? So first thing is the variables, all the variables or all the non-terminals that are present in a V will become your states. That is a set of non-terminals becomes your states of a finite automata. That's the first step. And the second step, what you need to analyze is that the start symbol in S of a grammar G will be the start state of the FSM. So S represents the starting state in a grammar, right? So S in your G becomes start state of finite automata. This is the second procedure. Okay. Next, third. Next, any production in the form A tends to W, that is a non-terminal to terminal, produce one production or a state transition from state A to state W, which is a final state. Sorry, state 1 to some state Q final upon symbol W. If any production in the form A tends to AB means A capital B. Okay, so from state A to state B upon A. If it is having only a terminal, then it's a final state. If it is having terminal and non-terminal, it is not your final state. Right? Analyze these things. If any production is in the form A tends to epsilon, then the state itself will be your final state. Clear with this? This is the procedure to convert your given grammar into a finite automata. So you need to make sure that everything will be analyzed very carefully. So you need to follow the procedures. That is, all the states or symbols in a V becomes the states of your finite automata, and S becomes your start state, and A tends to W. That is only terminal idre ee ತರ production irutte. A tends to AB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ production, A tends to epsilon ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ productions ನಾವು convert ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. So let us try to solve one problem regarding this particular grammar to finite automata. So obtain a finite automata from the following grammar, which generates a strings of A's and B's ending with AB. So you got a grammar. It tends to AS or S tends to BS or AB. So this is the grammar that is given. Now we need to try to solve according to the given procedure. Okay, let's begin. Let's begin. So here start state. So first let us define our grammar. G is VTPS, right? So V stands for set of non-terminals. So here set of non-terminals is yes. Yes, P stands for set of terminals A, comma B. P stands for production, that is S tends to AS and S tends to BS and S tends to AB. And yes, again start symbol is S itself. So we have this production now. So this is the grammar given. Now we need to draw our thing. So initially start state identify model. So here I got my start state S. So S is my start state. So next production S tends to AS. So according to the procedure ee tara idu ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So terminal and non terminal idre ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಅದು. So it remains in the same stage. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾನು S upon A to S. So S and S are same. So I look back A. Next S tends to BS. Similar S upon S upon B. So again look comma B ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಕೊಡಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Right? Okay, next production is S tends to AB. So S tends to AB S in the upon terminal AB, it's moving on to some state S1 and ಎಲ್ಲೂ terminal ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು final state ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು state upon AB ನನಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು final state ಬರುತ್ತೆ F ಅಂತ. Right? So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ by using my intermediate state. So S A comma B upon A some intermediate state I upon B to the final state F. This is how you are going to get your finite automata for a given grammar. Right? The same thing if it is asked to convert the grammar to a regular expression. Upon converting it into a finite automata, you got here, right? So ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? So A plus B whole star loop ಇದೆ whole star AB A plus B whole star A. That's the final thing. A AB or B AB or B A A B and this will be your final result. RE. If it is asked to convert for a regular expression, this will be the thing. Clear? Okay. Now we'll move on to our next problem. We'll move on to a little complex problem. Very simple to analyze and get the solution. Don't forget to follow the procedures. If the procedure is known very well, then the solution for these things will be not at all issue. Okay. Next, again, obtain a finite automata from the following grammar. S tends to AT, T tends to BT, T tends to A, T tends to AW. This W is not small letter, it's capital letter. W tends to epsilon. And W tends to AT. Okay. Now you got this grammar. This thing you need to convert it into a finite automata. Okay. First thing, the grammar has three variables S, T, and W. More variables ಇದೆ. So more variables ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. First, three variables S, T, W. ಮೂರನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Right? So next procedure, the next symbol ಏನಿತ್ತು? So ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು g equals to vtps ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯಾವುದು s so s will be your start symbol next we move on to production so first production ಏನಿದೆ s tends to at so ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ s upon a to t so s upon a to t ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ so ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು upon a ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ next t upon b to t so t upon b to t so this will be a loop next t tends to a so t tends to a production ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ so t state upon a will move to a final state right so I'll take one more final state here qm a next t upon a w t tends to a w so t upon a will move on to w so t upon a will move on to w next w tends to epsilon so any production with epsilon will become your final state next w tends to at so this production is w a upon t so this will be a this will be your a okay this is the given finite automata for a grammar so using the procedures you can easily identify the finite automata for any grammar again the same thing this they ask you to convert it into a regular expression ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು so try to reduce the states first eliminate the state ಅಂದ್ರೆ w eliminate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಈಗ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ right so because loop ಇದೆ so loop ಇಂದ ಅದನ್ನ eliminate ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು clear so a b star a ಒಂದಾಗುತ್ತೆ or a b star a b star also a b star a b star a ಒಂದಾದ್ರೆ a b star a whole star so loop ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ whole star ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇದು a star yes ಈ ತರ regular expression you can easily identify your regular expression as explained in the previous classes